Dear audience, today we will talk about a very interesting certification of Cisco, that is Cisco Small and Medium Business Sales. Shortly, we can say SMBS 700-250. So I'm your trainer, Dr. Maksud Mahmood from University of Bahrain, and I would be telling you that how this course is and how this certification is and what are the ingredients in this certification. So we will discuss about the introduction of this course, then we will see the structure of this exam, and then we will see the contents of the exam, and we'll go for conclusion. And later on, we can have some question answers in the comments. So what this exam is basically? So basically, it's a just a 90 minutes exam, and it is associated with the Cisco small and medium business sales specialization. So those who want to specialize in sales with the SMBs, then this is the best of exam for them. They will learn about the different strategies of the Cisco, that how to sell their products and how to work with the Cisco people. Moreover, this exam, it certifies like candidates knowledge, what are the different challenges, what are the different opportunities, which SMB sectors that they have it, and especially the strategies to leverage the Cisco innovative solution. Okay, so it will tell you that how effectively you can leverage the Cisco innovative solution, like for example some Cisco offerings with the different offerings like partner strategies. For example, Cisco is working with the different partners, so how you can collaborate with them, and solution portfolios and marketing tactics as well, right? So it helps the so this will help, this course will help the students to prepare for the exam, right? So let's see what are the contents of this exam. And then, so there are 10 different modules in this course, and the first one is called partnership opportunities with the Cisco. So you must be learning that who are the partners of Cisco, right? Because Cisco is looking for those people who which they can sell their products, which can they marketize their products. They need to have some strategies with that one, right? So the first most important thing is the partnership, and the first one is called understand market trends influence the SMB sector. So you need to understand that what are the different trends, what's going on in the market, right? The second most important thing is differentiate partners roles and types within the Cisco ecosystem. Third most important thing is you need to understand the Cisco partner strategy. What are the strategies of the Cisco partners, not the Cisco but the Cisco partners, and its alignment with the SMB's objectives. We will talk about the objectives of SMB as well. So the fourth most important thing is that how we can do for understand the managed service provider, MSP. We call it MSP, means managed service provider opportunities. What are the different opportunities and the service centric approaches? Second most important thing is that to enable the people, just to educate the people, to train the people in the market and enhance the workspaces for that one. So second most important thing, there are three different ingredients in it. For example, examine the strategy for enabling the employees to maximize their potential, right? So you need to see that what are their strategy, what are their techniques, so that their employees become enabled and they can work with the Cisco. The second most important thing is to understand the methods of enhancing physical and digital workspaces. So how we can what are the different methods and how can we collaborate with them? How can we collaborate physically and digitally online, right? Third most important thing is understand how to empower IT teams to facilitate efficient operation. So it means that you need to talk to the IT people so that you can facilitate them and work with them. So third most important thing is exploring SMB's experiences. So after you have done strategies and all these things, you need to analyze what are the key benefits that SMB Cisco SMB experience offer. You need to analyze that. That is most. So some of the questions would be based on analysis of that one. Third, the second most sub part of this third is understand specific solutions with the Cisco SMB's experiences and their functionality. So what are the different solutions they have it, And third subpart is like understand how SMBs can leverage Cisco SMBs experience to their advantages. So it means that these are like you need to go for win-win situation. So if you go for the win-win situation, you need to analyze it. You have to think critically for these kind of questions related to this section. The fourth most important thing is navigate hybrid workforce experience. So hybrid means like when it's mixed, like with the different diversity, with offline and online, with the different like genders. So recognize the increasing importance of hybrid workforce experiences, because you have like from different nationalities, from different like uh, um, from different like ethnicity, from different like backgrounds. So how you can like increase the importance of hybrid workforce experiences. That is the most important thing. Second sub part is recognize how hybrid experience cater the needs of SMBs. That is like you need to connect your like hybrid experience with the needs as well, so that you can say that it's a need analysis, right? So some of the question would be based on the need analysis. Determine cross-selling and upselling. This is very important thing. So cross-selling is like and upselling means that you just increase your selling, but cross-selling means when you try to sell on the different platforms of the different like stakeholders. That is called like cross-selling. That is most important thing as well. The fourth part is understand the applications of hybrid solution across diverse industries and verticals, right? So with the different industry, how you collaborate with it, because every industry is using the Cisco devices. Fifth most important thing is adapting to the remote workforce experiences. Like, for example, you need to identify challenges, like what are the different challenges you are facing it by the SMBs with the remote or distributed teams. And then evaluate experiences. What are the different experiences? What are the challenges? How you tackle it? How you solve it? Different products and opportunities. Third is the part is like determine strategies for cross-selling and upselling in the market and the remote SMBs market. For example, if you're sitting here in the Middle East and you want to like increase your selling in Africa or some other countries, so how you can do it remotely? How you can like increase your upselling and cross-selling? And the fourth sub part is examine remote solution in various industries and verticals, right? So that is the fifth part. Sixth one is securing the modern workplace, right? So you need to understand digital security solutions tailored for SMBs. Like you need to know about different like security hacks, which is being used in the modern life, right? So you need to know about different firewalls, like different like antivirus securities device products of the Cisco as well. Understand physical security and environmental solution as well. This is most important. Some of the question would be based on that one. Determine strategies to cross-selling and upselling secure solutions. So strategies is also like you need to determine what are the different strategies. So few of the question would be based on the strategies. And analyze the application of secure solution across different industries and verticals, right? So as I told you that how you can collaborate with the different industries and verticals you have around the world. The seventh most important thing is implementing smart IT, like interpret data to extract meaningful insight for informed decision making. uh, yeah, so as we know that like nowadays we have IoTs and smart homes and all these things. So how this Cisco could be like fitted in that one. Interpret data to extract meaningful insight for informed decision making. So decision making is very much important. So data analytics and business analytics would be like in this one. Understand Cisco smart portfolio. So like what Cisco is offering. So you must know about the Cisco portfolio. What are the different like categories in it, by going to their website and see and like what are their offerings. Determining cross-selling and upselling strategies for smart SMBs market. Like for smart SMBs market, you need to determine what strategy would be best suited for a specific scenario. The fourth is they recognize the real world use case that demonstrate the benefit of smart solution. Like you need to see that what are the real world use cases. Like some case studies have been done, so you need to like go through it so that you understand what is going in the market. So eighth is about enhancing application performance. Like for example, how you enhance the application performance. So the subparts are understand Cisco role in ensuring application security, accessibility, and resiliency. So these are three powerful words. Like security is a vast um, uh, field, and accessibility, like things should be accessible 24/7, and resilience means that it should be strong enough not to be broken. And then identify key application relied upon the SMBs. Other sub parts are like determine positioning strategy. That is a very good topic, and we can discuss more in a later slides. Cisco offerings within the SMB's account, and the fourth sub part is recognize case studies and success stories. So success stories helps you a lot to visualize things, to give you more vision about your strategies and showcase the performance. Ninth most module is the mastering Cisco go-to-market strategies. Now, if you have all these strategies and you have determined your upselling strategies and like cross-selling, so then you need to understand how to go to the market, like how to tailor it for the SMBs. You need to identify like essential marketing tools, like resources available to support SMB's initiative. You need to understand the importance of customer experience and business expansion. And the last but not the least, like leverage digital marketing resources. So we need to go for digital marketing as well, because sometime to reach the non-physical or with the processes or the businesses which is not near to us. And the 10th module, which is very important, exploring MSP and service opportunities. So we need to, as we discussed earlier about the MSPs, you need to understand what are the MSPs and services opportunities with the Cisco offerings. We need to understand the process of building an effective MSPs, how we can build the MSPs of the Cisco. We need to describe different models for creating and consuming the services, and understand buying and pricing the programs, right? So these are most important thing. So to conclude, for this course, you need to practice a lot about the different, multiple choice question. I will provide you in the next video the different multiple choice question, and then you can, we can practice, because practice is the key to the success. So thank you very much, and see you in the next video.